Nice. Powered by the sun. That's the specs. That's the solar array that is off-grid, that is powering my mini split air conditioner. The other 8 panels on the wall, they're grid tied. They've been there for 10 years. Those have been there for 10 years. And there's 7 more on the other side. They're grid tied. This is my off-grid system. It's powering my fridge, a freezer, gaming tower PC, 82-inch TV, a weather station, the security cameras on the house and the DVR, 8-port switch, home theater chairs, and 28 watts of LED lighting behind my home theater chairs. This is doing awesome. And I've got the option, if the batteries go dead, I've got the option to unplug this and go with a generator or a grid. If I go to normal, it'll pull 120 from that 240 box. That's got 240 in it, but I'm only using half of it for 120. And that's a 50 hertz Chinese knockoff. Specs on it are really out to lunch. It's got R410, even though it says R32, I think. Yeah, R32. There it is there. At 50 hertz. It's running just fine off of 60 hertz. The seller told me it would, and he was right. He didn't lie. I wish I installed it a little bit higher, because I noticed it went up by about 500 watts to about from 400 to 900 when the sun was beaming directly down on it. So I might raise it up a little bit. I'm not sure. I don't want to put too many more holes in my wall. But look at the humidity it's pulling out. That's amazing. That's the important thing. Is it pulling humidity? Here, let's go inside. I'll show you the inside part. There's the inside part. It's pulling about 400 watts right now off of this. Got conflicting amounts coming and going. It's kind of fighting the MPP charge controller right now. It does that when it's near full under high loads, and anytime with no load and 940, anything over 900 coming in, the fans go full blast. But when I draw over 1,000, the fans go down. They need to fix the fan curve in these things. It's stupid. The fan is based solely on the MPP charge controller, but it's using some of that DC on the fly coming in, and it's reduced the fans to a nominal, which is nice. If I was to unplug the air conditioning right now, those fans would ramp up to full blast. It's running that tower, it's running that fridge, full-size fridge with ice maker. Ice maker's on right now. It's running that freezer, upright freezer. Tower, 82-inch TV, weather station, Harman Kardon Hi-Fi. There's a security camera, PVR, feeding 3 security cameras on the house, and those two 14-watt LEDs, all running off that.